What's good, guys? It's your boy Lil Steve-O coming back again with another video. Today I'm outside and it's snowing and it's cold as heck. And I know y'all thinking, boy, if you don't get your black tail back in the house. But look, bro, look at the gold, bro. It's icy. Oh, snap. Snap, my gold really is icy, you know what I'm saying? But hey, anyway, I'm finna take some winter pictures once my sister comes out here. But yeah, this is basically the scene, guys. My deck thing is iced out. My grill, like, bruh, this snow is like, this junk is like, bruh. You know what I'm saying? You can have as many snowball fights as you want, bruh. If you watching this video, follow me on Instagram. This is a quick video. Follow me on Instagram and DM me for my address. We're gonna have a snowball fight, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, it's cold as heck. But yeah, this is a little snow day video. You know what I'm saying? I got a fit. Finna take some pictures, post it on the gram. So go follow me on Instagram, like it up. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video because it's cold as heck and I might go inside. But yeah. Lil Steve-O. Hold up. I'm gonna do something just for this video. Hold up. Make sure it's deep. Lil Steve-O. I'm out. Oh gosh. Woo. I'm out, guys. I'm out.